infrastructure should fulfill the essential characteristic to support cloud services. It can be built using a shared pool of computing resources such as compute, storage and network. The infrastructure should be flexible to meet the rapid changing demands of its consumer and allow them to provision resources on demand over a network. The infrastructure should also enable monitoring, control and optimization of resource usage. Building a cloud infrastructure is a phased approach, already I told. So, the journey begins with understanding of the existing physical infrastructure, its element and processes. And then after understanding what you have, then the next step is to focus on the aggregating the existing infrastructure resources using virtualization technologies. This resource pool facilitates centralized management of resources and enables faster resource provisioning. And the next step is deploy service management tools that enable automation of processes and management to minimize human intervention. Service management tool also include measured services with enable consumption based metering. With the service management in place, on demand provisioning of IT resources become more dynamic and allow IT to be delivered as a service. So, as a first phased approach that we need to understand the existing infrastructure. So, that is the classic data center. So, classic data center is a facility that enables IT resources to process data. The core elements of a CDC are compute, storage, network, application and database management systems. So, application is a computer program that provides the logic for computing operations. So, it can be anything, it can be a DBMS, it can be operating system services. So, this application uses operating system services to perform store, retrieve operations on storage devices. DBMS provides a structured way to store data in logically organized tables that are interrelated, and the DBMS optimizes the storage and retrieval of the data. Compute is a resource that runs applications with the help of underlying computing components. Storage is a resource that stores data persistently and subsequent use. And network is the data path that facilitates communication between compute systems or between compute systems and storage. The IT's resources are typically viewed and managed as separate entities, but all these elements must work together to address data processing requirements. Other elements of a CTC are power supplies and